student, in last lecture we have discussed the exercise 2.2 and some of the problems regarding prove that. Now exercise, miscellaneous exercise 2, question number 4. Prove that sine inverse 8 by 17 plus sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse 77 by 36. We know for addition we need tan. We have only formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So for that we have to convert this sine inverse into tan and this also into tan. So here see how we have to convert 17. Say it is alpha, implies sine alpha equal to 8 by 17. Now by Pythagoras theorem, say this is alpha, sine alpha is opposite side upon hypotenuse, that means adjacent will be 15 by Pythagoras theorem. That means tan alpha equal to 8 by 15 and alpha equal to tan inverse 8 by 50. This is alpha and alpha is 10. That means sine inverse 8 by 17 is tan inverse 8 by 50. Similarly, sine inverse 3 by 5 equal to beta. That means sine beta is 3 by 5. We can say directly tan beta is 3 by 4 because say this is beta, sine is opposite upon hypotenuse, adjacent is 4. So tan beta is 3 by 4. Beta is tan inverse 3 by 4. Now substitute it value. So here left hand side equal to sine inverse 8 by 7 is tan inverse 8 by 15 plus tan inverse 3 by 4. This is beta. Sine inverse 3 by 5 is beta equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. Now add them. 8 by 15 plus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 8 by 15, 3 by 4. You will get answer tan inverse 4 8s are 32, 15 3s are 45, 77 upon 36. That is the right hand side. Got it? So using sine inverse means formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, we have proved this. So every trigonometry, inverse trigonometry function we have to convert in form of tan and then we have to apply the addition or subtraction formula. Now eighth one, tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 equal to pi by 4. Add these two and these two. So let tan inverse 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7, 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 8. See, this is 7 1 ja 7, 5 1 ja 5, 12, 12 by 35. 7 5 ja 35 minus 34 by 35 plus tan inverse 8 plus 3 11 by 24, 23 by 24. This cancel, this cancel. Now tan inverse, this is 6 by 17 and tan inverse 11 by 23. Add these two, you will get the answer. Got it? And ninth one in a miscellaneous exercise. Prove that tan inverse root x equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. let right hand side, we have to only one term here. So convert this to this one, means right hand side to left hand side. So 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Now what will we assume as a x? Then we can convert this as a formula of cos. So there is a formula 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equal to cos 2 theta. That means x is assumed as a tan square theta. Clear? That means let x equal to tan square theta, and that means tan theta is equal to root x. Theta equal to tan inverse root x. That means this is tan inverse root x equal to theta. So now right hand side equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta, x equal to tan square. Now 1 by 2 cos inverse, this is cos 2 theta, cos inverse cos cancel, 1 by 2 2 theta, theta, and what is theta? Theta equal to tan inverse root x. Now this cos inverse cos cancel, because 2 theta must be in minus 1 to 1 means 0 to pi. For that, give the reason. Where is x? X belongs to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Now x is tan square theta. Tan square theta. If we are taking only tan theta, that means it will be minus 1 to taking more square root, minus 1 to 1. So we are doing square, then it will be 0 and 1 square. Now minus 1 is tan minus pi by 4, tan theta, tan pi by 4. Tan is increasing function, so minus pi by 4 less than or equal to theta less than pi by 4. What we needed? 2 theta. Multiply with 2, minus pi by 2, 2 theta, pi by 2. Okay, sorry. Root x positive. It is also considered in a positive because root x should be positive, no negative. So 0, and this is 0 to pi by 4 and 0 to pi by 2. That means in the first quadrant cos positive cancel 1 by 2 2 theta, tan inverse root x. Now 10th one. See, it's the most important, so we are doing in a whole board. Prove that cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2. Most important question. Now let left hand side cot inverse 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x 1 plus sin x 1 minus sin x. Here condition is given for x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 means first quadrant. Here let 1 plus sin x, can we write it as a 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x? 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. And 1 plus sin x, 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. That means it is pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now under root 1 plus sin x is equal to under root this, and this is root 2 cos pi by 4 minus x by 2. Clear? Similarly, 1 minus sin x is 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2. If we are taking minus, it is 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. So 2 sin square theta by 2, pi by 2 minus by 2 and x by 2. So it will be root 2 sin. Now instead of this one and this one, substitute this value in the question. Got it? Or another thing, if we are doing like that, 1 by sin x upon 1 plus sin x, then what happened? Root 2 sin pi by 4 minus x by 2 upon root 2 cos pi by 4 minus x by 2, and that is tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So instead of that, we can substitute directly this one also. So now from the left hand side, cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. Divide numerator and denominator by under root 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x. Divide numerator denominator by 1 plus sin x. So it will be 1. It is 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x whole root. It is 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x whole root. So cot inverse, instead of this, we have a tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. See, 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. 1 minus tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. Cot inverse 1 plus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta upon 1 plus 1 minus tan theta, that is tan pi by 4 plus theta. Theta is equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. We have used this formula. 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta is nothing but tan pi by 4 plus theta. Now, cot inverse pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. So, tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Cot inverse tan pi by 2 minus x by 2 is cot x by 2. Cot cancel, x by 2. That is right hand side. Most time be examples. Okay, later on, same question for 11. Instead of sine, there is given x. So assume x equal to cos theta, and then you can solve it. Remaining, all you can do, rest of all we will discuss in a next lecture. See you soon, beta. Bye bye.